Today, we've got a legendary hacker who embarrassed the spyware industry and vanished without a trace. Plus, malware so clever, it arrives in pieces and assembles itself in your browser. Let's get into it. A mysterious hacker spent years breaking into spyware companies, leaking their internal data, and exposing their shady operations to journalists. Despite humiliating some of the most secretive firms in the surveillance industry, they were never identified or caught. It remains one of the most audacious vigilante hacking campaigns on record. Attackers are now delivering malware through malicious ads that send the payload in separate, innocent-looking fragments. The victim's own browser is tricked into stitching those pieces together into a fully functional executable. This technique is specifically designed to slip past security tools that scan for complete malicious files. That's your daily cyber brief. 2 wild stories proving attackers keep getting more creative. Subscribe so you never miss an episode, and check out MonMyIP to stay on top of your own exposure.